the Hoh Rain Forest, about 13 miles in. I've lost my G7X Mark II Sony camera up where there's snow. We're at 1 hour of daylight. We want to make it back to the car. The likeliness of that is not very good unless we headlamp it, but then there's bear tracks that go for 2-3 miles. So we are night hiking. We've done 5.3 miles from the near Elk Lake where it was snowing and I lost my camera, and we crossed the river. Our feet are submerged and soaking wet. We have two choices: go back to the campground at Happy 4 where we set up the first night, or we can go all the way back to the car. That's 9 miles from where we are right now in the dark. It's all flat ground. There's really no hills. There's just more water, but we can now step through it because our feet are already wet. So we don't have to try and climb anything. But I don't know, we'll see. Yeah. I don't know, maybe if we're lucky we can get a fire going this time. It didn't really rain today, but everything is still soaking wet out here. Okay, this is where we were around probably...
We're at 9.1 miles.
3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Elevation 1,000. We came down from...
We reached...
Elk Lake.
Greg got to Elk Lake. I was at... Is it Martin Creek?
Yeah, so about 2,500 feet. And we're down now at 1,000 feet.
Whatever the frickin' snow was, that's where we were. Yeah. There's that big creepy house.
That's the most of the elevation of the hike.
It's a bench.
The rest I think is within several hundred.
The bear line's up here. 2 toilets. Yeah, we know exactly where we are. And look at those stars.
Oh, the stars.
Oh man. I don't know if you can make out the moon. See the moon? We're just following that guy right there. We follow the moon, we make it to the car. I don't know if you can see this. There's the Big Agnes Seed House. SL2. There's the inside. And there is our beautiful morning with wet feet. Missing camera, backpack. Yeah, we'll see you back at the car when we can charge. My battery's almost dead, so I gotta let it go. Otherwise, it's been fun. Next time, be more prepared. Bye.